high-speed chases are on the rise across American streets, with criminals making frantic, reckless dashes to evade the law. Each pursuit brings unpredictable dangers, putting innocent lives at risk and transforming quiet neighborhoods into zones of chaos. Today, join us as we delve into these dangerous incidents. And subscribe now to stay informed and aware of what's happening on our streets.
What's that?
No grapple, no, gotta grapple.
On March 3, 2023, at NEF 7 AU, Troop D dispatch alerted officers about the theft of a red 2016 GMC Sierra. License plate are 472 ZNB, stolen from Shell Egg Grocery in St. Francis. Noticing speeds approaching 100 mph on wet roads from earlier rain, Trooper Adams activated his emergency lights. As soon as he did, the suspect made a sudden lane change, clearly signaling an intent to evade.
I'm behind it right now, 276. Speed is 93. Call it 420.
Given the high speeds, wet road conditions, and light traffic, Trooper Adams decided to perform a tactical vehicle intervention to prevent the pursuit from escalating. Trooper Foltz and Adams quickly performed a felony takedown, apprehending the driver, identified as 19-year-old Jeremiah Green from Memphis 10. He was transported to Crittenden County Detention Center, checked by EMs and booked with multiple charges, including felony theft, fleeing, reckless driving, and driving without a license.
Don't look at me! Don't look at me!
On July 5, 2024, just after 2:00 a.m., Cobb County Police engaged in a high-speed pursuit on I-285 of a suspect wanted for multiple offenses. The situation escalated when the suspect, in a desperate attempt to evade capture, rammed a police cruiser, endangering officers and other motorists. Recognizing the heightened risk, Cobb County requested backup from the Atlanta Police Department's Elite AC unit to bring the chase to a safe conclusion.
Send over men again, approaching Cascade. Intermediate.
Undeterred, the suspect exited the car and attempted to flee on foot, darting toward the woods adjacent to the highway. Officers quickly pursued and, with the help of a taser, subdued the suspect before he could disappear into the dense woods. For his misconduct, the suspect now faces multiple charges, including aggravated assault on an officer and fleeing law enforcement. On October 2, 2024, at around 5:30 p.m., Arkansas State Police ISP joined Texarkana, Arkansas Police Department in the pursuit of a stolen vehicle near Garland and Jefferson Avenues in Texarkana. ASP located the suspect, a 17-year-old from Texarkana, speeding north on Jefferson Avenue before he turned east onto Interstate 30, reaching speeds of approximately 95 mph. As he approached the I-30 Hart 9 eastbound interchange, the suspect attempted a reckless maneuver, trying to pass another vehicle by crossing into the median. This resulted in him losing control, causing the vehicle to overturn and finally come to a stop on its roof.
Roll over.
Troopers quickly moved in, arresting the suspect. Now facing additional felony charges of theft of property and fleeing, the suspect's bond situation intensified. On June 2, 2024, a high-speed pursuit unfolded along Interstate 95 in Brevard County, Florida, as Florida Highway Patrol troopers pursued a stolen car racing through traffic at dangerously high speeds. The driver, unwilling to stop, had been weaving recklessly through lanes, hitting speeds over 100 mph and posing a serious risk to other motorists. At 100 mph, the impact caused the driver to lose control, veering off the road and coming to a stop on the grassy shoulder. Officers swiftly surrounded the car, securing the area to prevent any further attempts at escape. The suspect, realizing the chase was over, surrendered without further resistance. The driver now faces multiple charges, including grand theft auto and reckless endangerment. On November 6, 2024, deputies from the Thurston County Sheriff's Office attempted to stop a stolen vehicle speeding down Delphi RDSW in Thurston County, Washington. The driver ignored commands to pull over, accelerating to 100 mph and recklessly swerving into the oncoming lane, endangering other motorists.
Yeah, please. He just passed the vehicle, no passing zone in the corner.
Just passed vehicle, no passing zone.
West 110.
Copy West 110.
Eastbound, sorry.
350 eastbound 110.
No grapple, no. Gotta grapple.
32.
Upon contact with the grappler, the driver lost control, veering off the road and crashing through a chain-link fence before colliding with a tree. Determined to escape, the suspect exited the vehicle and fled on foot. However, 9 MAC and responding deputies quickly intercepted the suspect, apprehending him after a brief pursuit. Background checks revealed that the driver had an outstanding warrant for felony assault, as well as additional warrants for hit and run and reckless driving. On February 24, 2024, Arkansas State Police Trooper T. Davis of Troop had attempted to stop a GMC Yukon on I-630 near John Barrow Road in Little Rock, Pulaski County. The driver had been weaving in and out of traffic erratically, prompting suspicion when Trooper Davis activated his emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop. The driver refused to pull over and instead accelerated, leading officers on a dangerous high-speed pursuit through Little Rock.
Out of 410 Rock, 1037. Going back to John Barrow, 50 mile an hour. TBI John Barrow 630. He's getting back on the road. John Barrow coming over 630 now. We're down there, 630 west. John Barrow, my bumper's hooked on him. I'm not even gonna come up with butter. 630 west, another TBI.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Stay right there! Brother, you stay right there!
After securing the driver, officers conducted field sobriety tests, which further confirmed his impairment. The suspect was taken into custody without further incident and is now facing multiple charges, including fleeing, reckless driving, and driving under the influence. This successful operation underscored the effective teamwork of Arkansas State Police in safely ending a dangerous pursuit and removing an intoxicated driver from the road.
Time out right there. I'm coming out. I got y'all. My leg just hurt. Okay. I'm out, yeah.
Right there on the ground.
All right, I'm out. All right, I'm out. I'm not doing nothing. I'm out.
On Tuesday, August 8, 2024, at around 1:00 p.m., a flock license plate reader in Farmington Hills, Michigan, flagged a vehicle with a stolen license plate. Responding officers located the gray 2024 Dodge Durango and verified it as the suspect vehicle. Spotting marked patrol cars moving to intercept, the driver attempted to evade, initiating a high-speed pursuit. Once stopped, 5 suspects fled the vehicle on foot. Unfortunately, 3 other suspects managed to evade capture. Further investigation of the Durango showed it had been stolen from the Jefferson Avenue assembly plant in Detroit 2 weeks prior. While 3 suspects remain at large, police continue their efforts to track them down.
Did they go across?
On November 9, 2024, at approximately 1:03 p.m., Trooper James Parker of the Criminal Interdiction Unit was patrolling in Miami-Dade County, Florida, when he received a request from Homestead Police Department and Miami-Dade Police Department for assistance in stopping a stolen U-Haul cargo van. The pursuit headed northbound on Florida's Turnpike, passing sub 152nd Street, with multiple units in pursuit.
823 passing 74th, passing 74th Street. 823 14 vehicles on the red.
Corporal Sierra ultimately executed a successful pit maneuver, immobilizing the vehicle and enabling officers to apprehend the suspects. The suspects were then turned over to Homestead Police Department for further investigation and processing. On April 14, 2024, at approximately 10:42 a.m., Trooper Akins, part of the Criminal Interdiction Unit, was conducting speed enforcement on State Road 91 near mile marker 294.5 in Miami-Dade County using a laser device. He clocked a maroon Nissan traveling at 117 mph in a posted 70 mph zone. The driver, later identified as Wainasharikia Toombs, initially slowed to 80 mph but failed to pull over, instead continuing northbound. Weaving through traffic and passing cars on both the right shoulder and, at times, the grass shoulder,
Might be taking the exit. Hold on. Just want to take an exit to the northbound. Cautionary 331 northbound. Is traffic over 100. Pickup truck. Copy, I'm running out this one as well.
Both troopers approached the vehicle with caution, ordering Toombs to exit the vehicle. She was safely taken into custody after confirming she was uninjured. A check of Toombs' driver's license revealed it was suspended for non-payment of a citation. Following on-scene investigations, Toombs' vehicle was towed, and she was transported to the Sumter County Correctional Facility for booking on charges including reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, and driving with a suspended license.